We're going to talk about the terminal box on the ProMix H, and we're going to start up with the power block, which is TB1 here at the top. You will notice we already have power coming in on terminal block 1, neutral, and the neutral and ground. You only need one power source for this unit because the two individual pieces of equipment that are on the unit that take power is the solenoid valve and the pump. And those terminal blocks are jumpered through for the power side of those units. Next, we're going to talk about the signal block, which is TB2. Terminal blocks 1 and 2 are the pause contact for the pump. We have to have these made in order for the pump to run. On terminal block 3, we have the positive side of the analog control for the pump. If you have the pump set in analog control, you bring the positive side in on the blue wire onto terminal block 3, but you have to bring the negative in on that pause contact between terminal blocks 1 and 2. On terminal block 4, we have the white wire, which is our pulsing contact. If you have the pump set in contact mode, you would land here at terminal block 4 and the other leg at terminal block 1 and 2. And then finally, for the control, we have our gray wire coming in on terminal block 5. Terminal block 5 is auxiliary control. Inside the pump, you set up a flow rate that you want this to run at if you're going to utilize the gray wire. Once that contact is made between the gray wire and the pause contact, this will override every other signal that's going to this unit and how it's running. Next, we're going to go down to terminal blocks 6 and 7. Terminal block 6 and 7, we have the brown and white wire for the relay cable. This is our relay out for the pump if it's ever in an alarm state, or you can have it set up for warning and stop state of the pump to send back to your system. Next, we have our green and yellow wires, which is our signal out. Yellow wire here is the positive side for the 4 to 20 signal coming from the pump, and then negative is on the green. This is an active signal coming out, so no series of 24 volt is needed here between terminal blocks 6 through 9.